How to activate HSBC credit card. Now, for you to be able to follow through, you can also pull up any preferred browser on your reference. Now, if you already pull up the web browser, just go ahead to your search bar and then type in HSBC, enter. Now, in here, it's going to be depending on your current region or location. Now, let's go ahead and try on the us.hsbc.com. Once you're here, this is going to be your website interface. Now, just hover your mouse around banking and then under credit card resources, simply click on activate credit card. Now, while doing this process, you just have to make sure that you have your HSBC mobile banking app account logged in. Scroll down a bit and then go to card activation. And the first step is you'll have to select your credit card from the accounts menu and then choose activate card from the menu. Then once you choose on the activated card, just simply click on activate card and then just have to follow through the instructions and entering your card number and then CVV code and then the expiration date of the card. So that's it. That's how simple you can activate your HSBC credit card.